Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And just a quick note, as we're not going to go through all the features and what's in there, but I know that some of you have iPhones, and that this is a place where I often will talk about security updates and so on. Today is not security, it's just the fact that if you've been waiting for it, if you want to update your iPhones, iOS 18 has been released to the general public. So the new latest version of the operating system for Apple's iPhones, and of course probably rolling out on other devices also, like iPads and so on. So, it's come a long way. I look at it and I look at pictures, and I've looked at some demonstrations of new customizable features in iOS 18, and I still have here. For the kicks, I felt like I wanted to maybe charge it and see what it looks like. Still got here an old iPhone 5, and I've owned in my life 2 iPhones and 2 iPods. One was an iPod Mini, and then I had the real big iPod Touch, which resembled the an iPhone but without any phone on it, which I thought were cool at the time. I did get 2 iPhones, an iPhone 3GS, I believe it was the branding, and I got an iPhone 5 at some point. Until I just moved on to Samsung phones and on Android, and never really looked back. But it is just interesting to see the similarity, but also the more modern feel and look of the devices, which are iPhones. There's two phones here, and I was thinking, because right now I'm just my phones are paid, so I don't pay extra. I just pay for the using the phone on the service. And I once thought of, maybe I should get like a modern iPhone on one line and a modern Galaxy phone on the other line, and that would enable me to maybe do videos of I already could do videos of Android and the Galaxy phones, but it would enable me to do also some videos of iPhones, which could be popular for some. So anyways, if you are a iPhone user, go check it out. iOS 18 is released. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.